The ultimate Google Ads account structure guide. And this is for 2025, not 2024. Let me go ahead and correct that. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Mo Paid Media YouTube channel. My name is Maury, and in this video, I want to talk about the ultimate Google Ads account structure guide, step by step for 2025, y'all. If you're new to this channel, welcome. This channel is designed to talk all things about paid media on a beginner's level. So if you're new to paid media, if you're aspiring to have a career as a PPC marketer specialist, or if you're looking to hire a PPC marketing specialist, or if you just want more information on what a PPC marketing specialist, marketing specialist does, this is a good channel to start with. I talk about all things paid media, from digital media plans to Google ads to Facebook ads, all that good stuff. If you're looking to hire somebody to help you with your Google ads campaign, structure setup, Facebook ad campaign, structure setup, running ads, things like that, media plan, be sure to book a free consultation call with me, discovery call. I'll ask you a few questions, vice versa. We'll see if it's a good fit. I'm always down to help people out with running successful campaign ads because, quite frankly, I believe that running a successful campaign can really help you excel your business without spending crazy amounts of money. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. So if you're struggling to organize your Google ad campaign, you're not alone. I have done a lot of audits for people, and a lot of people are struggling. A lot of small business owners are actually struggling with their Google accounts. And unfortunately, what happens is when I think about Google ads and the account structure, it's almost like walking into it's almost like gambling. You're walking into a casino. There's all types of machines. They don't tell you how to use them. You need to read the directions. Unfortunately, most people don't want to read the directions, and they end up blowing their money. So that's essentially kind of what Google Ads is. Now, there are a lot of people that do confine in Google ad representatives, but quite frankly, their job is to get you to spend as much money as possible. So my job is to help you save as much money as possible, but also understand how to build a good Google ad campaign and how to save your money, but still running very high quality ads and getting the most and the best return on your investment. So that's my job. That's where PPC specialists come in. So if you're looking to hire one or understand more about what it is, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and you can book a 30-minute consultation with me as well. But let's go ahead and get into it because I only have 15 minutes and I can talk. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. So whether if you're launching your first campaign, or you're taking a underperformance campaign and you're getting your Google ad account structure right, and you're getting your Google ad account structure right is the secret to a long-term paid search success. So the way you organize your account directly impacts your performance, your costs, and how easily you can actually scale. Okay, so think of your Google ad account like building a house. So every part, from the foundation to the finishing touches, plays a key role in the strengths and the function of your house, of your campaign. So if you skip a step or you get lazy with the structure, you can end up setting up a shaky campaign that could blow up, that can fall apart. So let's walk through every essential layer of a Google ad account structure and why each step matters. Okay, so first, let's talk about the campaign level and laying a solid foundation. So every Google ad campaign begins with every Google ad account begins with a campaign. So each campaign is built is built around a specific business objective. So a question that you should always ask yourself is, why are you running the campaign? Is it to drive more leads? Is it to boost sales? Is it to increase website traffic or generate brand awareness? Okay? Why does this even matter? Why does it even matter to come up with a campaign objective? Well, your campaign settings like budget and targeting and bidding strategy control your reach and an ad delivery. So if your foundation is weak, your entire account can crumble, can blow up, leading to a waste of spend and poor results. Okay? So you can start by choosing the right campaign type. There's different ones when it comes to Google Ads. You have search, you have performance max, you have display, you have videos. Those are the main ones. Okay? So search, as you can see, I put it right here, is best for capturing active intent, people searching for solutions. Display is good for raising awareness and retargeting. Video is perfect for storytelling and brand building. And call only is ideal for businesses that strive on business inquiries. Okay? All right. Next. Also, pro tip. Match your campaign type to your end goal. Okay? You can run multiple campaign types at once if your business has more than one objective. Keep that in mind. Okay, next we have ad groups. You can create, ad groups is about creating focused sections. So inside each campaign, an ad group helps you organize your ads and your keywords by a theme or product category. So why the heck does this even matter? Well, an ad group matters because it allows you to match your ads to specific intent of your audience. So a well-structured ad group means that you have better quality score, higher relevancy, and a lower cost. So that's where you get that win-win scenario. Okay. So I do have some best practices here. We have, you want to limit each campaign from either 7 to 10 ad groups. You also want each ad group should focus on a tightly themed keyword or set of keywords. And then you want to use 2 to 3 ads per A/B testing. All right. Okay. Let me look at my time. Okay, I'm doing good on time. All right. Keyword sections. That's step 3. Keyword sections is the core, or keyword selection is the core of your targeting. So by selecting the right keywords is the heart of your paid search strategy. All right. So why does the keyword search matter? Well, you got to remember your keyword determines when and where your ads will actually appear. So the right keywords can bring you high quality traffic that's more likely to convert. So that's why it's so important to make sure that you have a good keyword list. So you can use keywords like you can use keyword planners, Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, to find keywords with good search volume and that have a commercial intent. Okay? Also, you want to avoid using single words or overly broad keywords. So you want to focus on 2 to 3 word phrases like buying running shoes online. That's an example. All right? You want to target a mix of keyword match types like broad, phrase, and exact to balance reach and control. And you want to also pay attention to your intent, to your search intent. So you want to target keywords that signal purchase readiness. Okay. I've come across a lot of different Google ad accounts where the keyword list is really irrelevant to their campaign, and it's also irrelevant to their product or service. So that's why it's very important to regularly review and refine your keyword list to keep your campaigns sharp. All right. Step 4, you want to make sure your ad copy, you want to make sure you're crafting messages that convert, okay? So your ad copy is the first impression, and you want to make sure that you make it count. So why does ad copy even matter? Well, writing compelling and relevant ads drive clicks and conversions, while a weak copy wastes your budget and can harm your quality score. So here are some tips when it comes to writing high performing ad copy. So you want to make sure that you highlight your unique value or offer. So for example, you can highlight, free shipping, 50% off your first order. And you also want to mirror your language to your audience, okay? So you want to make sure you mirror the language of your audience and what the language that they use. So you also want to include a clear call to action like shop now or get a quote. And you want to test different headlines, descriptions, and call to action. And you want to make sure that your ad copy aligns with your landing page to improve your messages and reach a conversion rate. So let me check my time. Okay. I will explain this in another video, but I've already made a video talking about the ADA framework and why it's important. I'll just leave a card up here or leave a link in the description to that video because I only have a certain amount of time and I still have a few more tips to go through. Number 5, you want to add ad extensions, and that will definitely supercharge your visibility. So ad extensions makes your ads bigger, more useful, and more clickable, but no extra cost is involved. So why use ad extensions? They provide additional information. This can be links, phone numbers, addresses, offers. It can take up more space on the SERP, the search engine results page, and you can lift your click-through rate and quality score. Okay. You also want to have make sure that you use the must-have ad extensions. That is site links, call outs. So site links are it directs users to other relevant pages like product categories and about and contacts. Call outs is that will highlight your selling points, like it's open 24/7, award winning. And then also call outs or call extensions it will let mobile users tap to make a call directly from your ad. And then local extensions show your business address to people that are nearby. So you want to experiment with other extensions like price, promotion, lead forms to see what fits your best goal. And I can probably make another video talking about that, but yeah. So why does structure matter in Google Ads? Well, it matters because you can have better control over your budget and your performance. You can have a clear, actionable reporting and data. It's easier to optimize, so that way you're not wasting ad spend and you can improve faster. It also helps with a higher quality score and lower cost per clicks. And it's also scalable, so it's a system that you can grow over time. So you want to make sure that you're not ignoring your ad structure and your account structure, and you're keeping it organized and concise. Okay. Then here we have, you don't want it to be too long and people don't read it. So you want to make sure that you're picking really short, compelling, ad copy, things like that. So if you need help setting up your ad, account, make sure to reach out to me. And if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.